Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I was reading some comments and somebody asked me how to change our custom and import new fonts in CapCut using Windows PC or a computer or desktop, whatever you call. So I found a very nice solution for that. You all need beautiful text in your videos. That makes a huge impact for your YouTube videos, of course. So I found a solution how to import these new fonts in CapCut using Windows PC. So let's jump into the video and see. It's quite easy. That's not gonna take a lot of your time. So see you there. So first of all, you need to go to your thefont.com or any website you're using. There are tons of different websites for fonts. For example, this is Gemini or Moon or something like that. This is a very nice font I want to download. Just click on download button here, and then this is a font I want to download. This one, just click on this download button here. First of all, you need to download these in this one. So remember the name of these fonts, and then I'll show you how to download, how to import. So after that, once your downloading is done, here you can see Leticia or Leticia, what you call it. This is one, and Gemini, Moon, this is one. You just simply go to this section and open show in folder. These are three fonts. I'm gonna take them out from this place, and maybe I will bring them to the desktop downloads. And here is a download section, so I just paste it here. One is Letica. Open it, and here you see TTF. Install this one. Here you can see install button. Install, and boom, this is done. And now this other one, we need to install this one as well. And remember the name. Okay, maybe there are too many, so I just need to install this one here. Free ship, that's okay. Install, and done. And this one is also okay. Like you just keep watching whatever you need. There are different versions, so it has light blue, and it will appear like this one. As you can see, this one, it will appear, the text will appear like that. And if I go to this one again, you can see this is one, it will appear like this one is left side inclination is there. So you install whatever you need, and now move to the next one. We install first three, and Gemini, I want to install this one here, and it looks cool. Install this one. Alright, so this is done here, and now we close all these windows. These three, Letica, free shipping, and Gemini or Gemini or whatever you call it. Alright, so once you download it, remember this one here. We installed this one, 2-3 fonts here, and I have already installed these fonts as well. You can see Anton, Dry Brush, Exo, and this one, and Gotham Bold, and this one already installed this one, and I installed new 3 fonts to test. So I have this project here. I'm gonna disconnect this one again and remove this one and start. Go to your CapCut again, open CapCut, and if it doesn't appear, then you restart your computer. It will appear there and it will start working. So just go to start creating a new project, import, and I'm gonna import a picture here, just this picture, and I want to add some text. Now go to text, any text you choose. For example, this one I'm gonna choose, and here I type how to import text in CapCut using Windows PC. Alright, so you can see that this is a system font, and now appears here. Okay, alright, this one is here. I change the text color into white. It's already white, and I change into red. You can see that this one, Gemini, Moon, we already installed, and this is here. Now let's find another one. These are all like Exo, bold, and black, and these all I have imported new one. I just installed this one, these text here, fonts, and this is already here. And this one you can see Leticia. if I'm not wrong my pronunciation for this word. You can see now it appears Letitia, and you can check it, like make it smaller or bigger. Alright, so this is how you can easily import these fonts. And Gemini, if I go to this section, and I can easily place it here and make it green, blue, or whatsoever color you like. It seems like black would be okay, and you can see that the color is already here. And now you check the font Gemini Moon, and if I go to the folder, this one was Gemini Moon. And now Letitia, we already did this for this one as well. And if I go to CapCut and I change to this one, you can see here this is Letitia. And if I go to this one is that font, and now this one is that font. So that's easy, quite simple. You can download any font anywhere in your CapCut PC as well, but you don't need to import separately. You just need to show that okay, this is you already installed, and it will start working quite okay. I normally use these one for gaming channel. This is okay. For other one, there could be an Anton or something like that. That's the name. And A for A I use for my thumbnails. I use this font. It's actually all capitals, and this one is very nice as well. This one you can see Anton regular. This one I have another video for thumbnail text, so you can watch that video. I will give in the pinpoint there, so you can just go to that video and see how that works for thumbnail, what kind of top 10 fonts are there. So this one was dry brush. This is also very important for vlogs. If you are doing vlogs, then this doesn't appear so much good here in this one, in this video, but it appears very nice in the thumbnails while you are editing that one in Adobe Photoshop. So this is how you can easily import fonts in CapCut using Windows PC. So hope you like the video. If you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. See you next time in another video.